Welcome to a new video which is about angles in triangles. I will show you 3 types of triangles and then solve instructive and challenging questions regarding the topic. If this is your first time here and if you want to support this channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell to turn on the notifications to be aware of the upcoming videos. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. Here we have 3 types of triangles. The first one is the regular triangle, and summation of the interior angles are 180 degrees. As we can see here, we have 3 angles. That symbol means angle, okay? BAC, if you follow the direction exactly as it is, BA and C. So first look at B, and then A, and then C. The one which is in the middle means that angle, okay? So this angle means right here. So in other words, the angle A, we can say it as angle A, angle ABC. So if you look at in the middle it says B, so that means this is the angle that we mean. And if you look at here, the angle BCA. So BCA, as you can see, the angle which is in the middle is C, so this is what we mean as an angle. So if you add those 3 angles up, and then the result is going to be 180. This is a regular triangle that the summation of the interior angles are 180 degree, and those angles can be different angles, okay? They don't have to be same like the others that we have here. So if you look at the next one, which is called isosceles triangle, in that angle those lines are equal to each other, okay? That one which is AB, length of AB is equal to length of AC. If those lengths are equal to each other, then we can say that angle ABC, which is this angle, is equal to angle ACB, so which is this angle. So if those lengths are equal to each other, and then we can say that those angles are equal to each other as well. In the third type, we have equilateral triangle, which means that all sides are equal to each other, okay? AB is equal to AC, and that is also equal to BC. In some books, you can see those as the length AB is equal to the length BC, and that is also equal to the length AC, guys. So once you see those symbols, we can understand that those lengths are equal to each other. And once those lengths are equal to each other, that means all angles, the interior angles, are equal to each other as well. And we have an example, and it says angle ABC. As I said, in such cases, if you follow this direction, first A and then B and then C, we see that the middle is 2x. So, or in other words, this is angle B, we can say. Angle B is 2x, and BAC, which is here, and that is also given to us as 3x, and angle C is 4x. If this is the case, then what is ABC? ABC means the angle B. So we are asked to find the value of 2x actually. But firstly, we need to find what is x, and from the general rule, the summation of interior angles are 180, as we see here. So I'm going to write 3x plus 2x plus 4x, and that is going to be equal to, guys, 180. We have 3x here plus 2 more x, which makes it 5x. 5x plus 4x, we're going to have 9x. So if 9x is 180, then how we can find x? Well, just divide both sides by the number that is in front of x, which is 9. And once you do it, these are gone, and then we're going to have x as 20, guys. And we are asked to find the value of angle ABC or B or 2x. So if x is 20, then 2x is 40, guys. So we can say that this is 40, and this is 60, and this is 80, guys. And in the next question, we have the angle B is 70 degree, the angle A is 2x, and the angle C, if you look at this direction, ACD, okay, which is right here, and this angle is given to us as 4x plus 20, and then what is the value of x? Well, we know that the summation of interior angles in a triangle is 180. So that angle, which is 2x, plus that angle, which is 70, so 2x plus 70, and then let's say this is y, guys. We will see that 2x plus 70 is going to be equal to 4x plus 20, but in order to prove it, let me write it in a regular way, okay? Plus this angle is y, so let's say this is 180. And because this angle is a supplementary angle, that means 4x plus 20 plus y, 4x plus 20 plus y is also 180, guys. We are adding y to this, and we are getting 180. And again, we're adding y to this, then we're getting again 180. That means, guys, those terms are equal to each other, okay? So in other words, 2x plus 70 has to be equal to 4x plus 20, guys. Now we have an equation, and we can keep the unknowns on one side and the numbers on the other side. So let's send this 2x to the right and then 20 to the left. On the right it was positive 20, and on the left it's going to be negative 20. So 70 minus 20 is going to be equal to, on the left it was 2x. Once you send it to the right side, it's going to be negative 2x. So on the right, we're going to have 4x minus 2x. So if you subtract 20 from 70, we're going to have 50. 50 is 4x minus 2x. It's going to be 2x. So if 2x is 50, 50 is 2x, and divide both sides by 2. These are gone. So x is 25, guys. For the people who don't know what I did here, I recommend you to take a look at one of my previous videos about shortcuts in calculations. And let's continue with the next question. In this question, two lengths are given to us as equal. AB is equal to AC. That means these lines are equal to each other. And if this is the case, then our triangle is the isosceles triangle, which means that those angles are equal to each other. Also, we are given here that angle ABC, which is angle B, which is this angle, is divided by angle BAC, which is right here, which is angle A, and the ratio of those angles is 2 divided by 5. That means, guys, from here we can say that the angle ABC divided by the angle BAC can be equal to 2x divided by 5x. Why? Because we can write it as 2x divided by 5x, so that you can simplify x values, and then still we're going to have 2 divided by 5 left over. So angle ABC, which is right here, if this is 2x, and then the angle BAC, which is right here, and that is 5x, guys. That is what we infer from this expression. So if this is 2x, by the way, and that is also 2x, right? So we have 5x here, we have 2x here, we have another 2x here, and these are the interior angles in a triangle. So we can write from here that 5x plus 2x plus 2x, that has to be equal to 180, guys. And 5x plus 2x, 7x, 7x plus 2x, 9x. So if 9x is 180, and then divide both sides by 9, these are gone. So x is 20, guys. This is what we can obtain from here. We are asked to find the value of ABC, which is angle B. Angle B is 2x, and we found that x is 20, so 2x is gonna be 40, guys. Again, in such ratio questions, guys, always you can do the same thing that I did here. Okay, if ratio is given to you as 2 divided by 5, then you can just write those values as 2x and 5x. And let's continue with the next question. Okay, guys, we have a next question. Before solving this question, actually, we have a rule, and I just draw such a system here. Suppose that we have 3 lines, and they intersect like that, and they make a triangle, and the interior angles in that triangle is ABC. So let's say this is A, and that is B, and that is C. That outer angle is B plus C. Okay, why? We can summarize that. That outer angle is the summation of other 2 interior angles, which are B and C, and those angles are not neighbors of that outer angle. We can think it in this way. For example, if you look at here, that outer angle is the summation of the other 2 interior angles, which are not neighbors. C is neighbor, so they should not be neighbors. So in other words, B plus A, this is equal to A plus B. And similarly, that is A plus C. Why? Because this is equal to the other 2 interior angles, the summation of other 2 interior angles. In other words, A plus C. So we can apply this condition here. And in this question, we are given that CA is equal to CD. So CA is CD means those angles are equal to each other. We can understand this from this given condition. And we are given also the angle BAD as 20, that is 20, and ACB 50, that is 50. And what is the value of x? That angle, which is x plus 20, we can write it like that, x plus 20 from this logic. So that means this is also equal to x plus 20 guys. And if you add all the angles, the interior angles, then we're going to have 180. In other words, x plus 20 plus x plus 20 plus 50, which is 180 guys. We have two x values on the left, 2x. We have 20 here, another 20 here, 40 plus 50, which is going to be 90 guys. So we're going to have 2x plus 90, which is going to be 180. And just send this 90 to the right. So we're going to have 2x is 180 minus 90. We're going to have 90 left over. So if 2x is 90, then x is 45 guys. So the result is 45 in this case. And let's continue with the next question. In this question, again, BA is equal to BD. That means those lines are equal to each other. And we are given ACB as 30 degree. So this is 30. And CAD, which is x, right here. And we are asked to find the value of x. We also know that BAC, which is this angle, and that angle is equal to 100 degree. And because this is x and this is 30, so we can say that this is equal to x plus 30 guys. And because those lengths are equal to each other, which means this triangle is an isosceles triangle, so that angle is also x plus 30 guys. So this is x plus 30 and that is also x. So the whole angle is, let me write it here, x plus 30 plus x, and that is 100 degree. So on the left we have 2x, and if you send this 30 to the right, we're going to have 100 minus 30. So 2x is going to be 70. And if you divide both sides by 2, then we're going to have x as 35 guys. And let's continue with the next question. Okay guys, this is our last question, and in this question we are given that BC is equal to CD and there is also DB. In other words, the smaller triangle, okay, which is this triangle, is an equilateral triangle. That is what we infer from this expression. And in an equilateral triangle, the angles are equal to each other. The interior angles are equal to each other. In other words, the interior angles are 60 degree guys. And again, that's 60 degree plus this 2x, let me write it here, 60 plus 2x, and that is equal to this outer angle guys. So it has to be equal to 3x plus 25. And if you send this 2x to the right, here it was plus 2x, and now it's going to be negative 2x, so 3x minus 2x. If you send this 25 to the left, here it was positive 25, and now it's going to be negative 25. So it's going to be 60 minus 25 on the left. And on the left, we're going to have 35, and on the right, we're going to have x. So we can easily see that x is 35 in this case. And this is the last question in this video, guys. If you have any question, you can put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the upcoming videos.